Hello and welcome everyone. This is Less Than a Minute. We have today two words that are commonly confused inside the context. First word is good, second word is well. Now, the word good and the word well are different because the word good is an adjective, the word well is an adverb. To understand this, adjectives are words to describe a noun or a pronoun. Adverbs to describe an action. So let's try to understand that in a sentence. The first sentence is about well. He is playing football well. Now the word well here is describing the playing part, describing the action itself. Second sentence about good. He is good. The word good here is describing he, describing the pronoun. If I remove this pronoun and I add Muhammad, for example, Muhammad is good. Good here is describing Muhammad. So at the end, good is an adjective most of the time, well is an adverb most of the time. Thank you very much, have a lovely day, and stay safe.